What if you had a personal assistant that could plan your day, write your emails, organize your ideas, create checklists, brainstorm projects, and explain confusing topics? And what if that assistant was available anytime you needed it? That is one of the easiest and most useful ways to start using AI. In this video, how to use AI as your personal assistant, even if you are brand new and have no idea where to start. Welcome to AI for real folks, real tools, real talk, real results. Quick channel frame. Here on AI for real folks, we help everyday people use AI in simple, practical ways. No hype, no confusing tech talk, just real examples you can actually use. Today, we are turning AI into your everyday helper. What does an AI personal assistant actually do? An AI personal assistant is not a robot walking around your house, at least not yet. For now, think of it like a smart helper you can talk to. You can ask it to plan your day, organize your thoughts, write better messages, summarize information, create lists, brainstorm ideas, explain topics, make schedules, prepare for meetings, turn messy notes into clear action steps. The key is this: AI works best when you give it a clear job. Instead of saying, help me, say, help me plan my day based on these tasks. Or, turn these messy notes into a simple checklist. Or, write a friendly reply to this email. That small change makes a big difference. Now let's go through 6 concrete ways to use AI as your personal assistant. 1. Use AI to plan your day. A lot of people wake up with too much in their head: work tasks, family stuff, appointments, ideas, errands, things they forgot yesterday. AI can help you turn that mess into a clear plan. Try this prompt. Quote, act as my personal assistant. Help me organize my day. Here are my tasks. Sort them by priority. Group similar tasks together. Create a simple schedule. Then ask follow-ups. Which tasks should I do first? What can wait until tomorrow? What is a realistic plan if I only have 3 hours? Turn this into a checklist. That is useful because AI does not just hold information, it helps you think through it. 2. Use AI for emails and messages. I am not saying you should let AI sound like a robot. The goal is to let AI help you get started, clean things up, or make your message clearer. Try these. Write a polite email saying I need to reschedule our meeting. Make this message sound more professional but still friendly. Shorten this email and make it easier to understand. Write a reply that says thank you, confirms the details, and asks one follow-up question. This is one of the fastest ways AI saves you time. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you give AI the situation, then adjust the answer to sound like you. Important tip: always read the message before sending. AI is helpful, but you are still in charge. 3. Use AI to organize messy notes. This one is huge. If you take messy notes from meetings, videos, classes, phone calls, or random ideas, AI can clean them up. Paste your notes and say, organize these notes into clear sections with action items, deadlines, and key takeaway. Or, turn this brain dump into a simple plan. Or, find the most important ideas in these notes. This is where AI feels like a real assistant. You do not have to spend 20 minutes organizing everything yourself. You let AI create the first draft, then you review it, fix anything missing, and move forward. 4. Use AI to learn anything faster. AI can also be your personal tutor. Say you want to learn something new. Maybe video editing, maybe Canva, maybe ChatGPT, maybe how to start a YouTube channel, maybe fixing something around the house. Instead of searching through endless videos and articles, ask AI to build a learning plan. Try this. Teach me the basics of this topic like I am a beginner. Give me a simple explanation, common mistakes, and one small project to practice. Then follow up. Explain that simpler. Give me an example. Quiz me on this. Make me a 7-day learning plan. What should I practice first? That is powerful. AI can meet you where you are. Beginner, it simplifies. Intermediate, it gives better strategies. Advanced, it helps you build systems. 5. Use AI for content and creative ideas. If you create content, run a business, post online, or just like making fun projects, AI can help with ideas. For example, we could ask, give me 10 beginner-friendly YouTube video ideas for a channel that teaches regular people how to use AI. Then ask, turn idea number 3 into a video outline. Then, write a hook for the first 15 seconds. Then, give me thumbnail text ideas. Then, write a YouTube description and tags. That is how one idea becomes a full content package. AI is great for helping you move from blank page to finished draft faster. And remember, the goal is not to let AI replace your creativity. The goal is to help you create more consistently. 6. Use AI for decision help. AI can help you make better decisions, not by making the decision for you, by helping you compare options. Ask, help me compare these 3 options. Give me the pros, cons, risks, and best choice for a beginner. This works for choosing a software tool, planning a project, picking video topics, comparing content ideas, organizing a budget, preparing for a purchase, choosing what to learn next. But here's the real talk. For important decisions involving money, health, legal issues, safety, or major life choices, always verify the information. AI is a helper. You are the decision maker. Now, the magic prompt formula. When asking AI for help, include 4 things: role, goal, context, output. Here's what that means. Role, quote, act as my personal assistant. Goal, help me organize my week. Context, here are my tasks, appointments, and priorities. Output, give me a simple schedule and checklist. Put it together. Quote, act as my personal assistant. Help me organize my week. Here are my tasks and appointments. Create a simple schedule. Group similar tasks together. And give me a short checklist for each day. That is a strong prompt. And you can reuse this formula over and over. 5 starter prompts you can try today. Prompt 1. Daily plan. Quote, act as my personal assistant. Help me plan my day based on these tasks. Prioritize them and make a realistic schedule. Prompt 2. Email help. Write a friendly and professional email about this situation. Keep it short and clear. Prompt 3. Notes organizer. Organize these messy notes into key points, action items, and next steps. Prompt 4. Learning assistant. Teach me this topic like I am a beginner. Give me a simple explanation and 1 practice project. Prompt 5. Decision helper. Help me compare these options. Give me pros, cons, risks, and a recommendation. These 5 prompts alone can save you hours. The final takeaway. The best way to start using AI is not to try everything at once. Start with 1 small problem. Ask AI to help. Then ask follow-up questions. That is how you learn. That is how you get better results. And that is how AI becomes useful in real life. Not as a scary tech thing, not as a magic button, but as a practical assistant. That helps real people get more done. So here is your challenge. Open an AI tool today and ask it. Quote, act as my personal assistant and help me organize one part of my life. It could be your day, your inbox, your notes, your content ideas, or something you want to learn. Try it once and see what happens. If you want simple AI tutorials, honest tool reviews, and fun AI projects, subscribe to AI for Real Folks.